Blueberries, small, sweet, and the closest thing we have to edible brain armor. While they may look like innocent little fruit nuggets, blueberries are actually loaded with anthocyanins, natural pigments that give them their deep blue color and their impressively long rhizome as brain defenders. If your neurons had to nominate a fruit for most likely to slow aging, blueberries would win in a landslide and deliver their acceptance speech via improved synaptic signaling. Now, anthocyanins aren't just there for aesthetic appeal. These vibrant flavonoids sneak across the blood-brain barrier like cognitive ninjas, where they promptly get to work protecting the brain from oxidative chaos. Aging brains have a bit of a problem. Their neurons start to fire slower, their mitochondria lose steam, and free radicals start shredding DNA like unpaid interns going rogue on a paper shredder. But anthocyanins? They show up like molecular IT support, rebooting the system, patching the code, and making sure the lights stay on upstairs. Let's talk neuronal repair. As you age, neurons naturally take more hits, whether from inflammation, environmental toxins, or just too many late-night doom-scrolling sessions. Anthocyanins promote the release of neurotrophic factors. Those are like little growth hormones for your neurons. Brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, in particular, gets a nice boost from blueberry consumption, and this guy is essential for forming new connections, repairing damaged neurons, and even encouraging neurogenesis. Yes, that's still possible past childhood. Thank you very much. And it's not just the neurons. Anthocyanins also pamper your mitochondria like they're running a spa retreat. These energy-producing organelles are notoriously sensitive to oxidative damage, especially in brain cells where the metabolic rate is through the roof. When mitochondrial function falters, everything slows down, from thought processing to memory retrieval. But anthocyanins help support mitochondrial biogenesis, protect mitochondrial membranes, and reduce reactive oxygen species that would otherwise turn your energy factories into smokestacks. Translation? Your brain cells keep humming instead of wheezing. Now, let's get into the juicy stuff, DNA fragmentation. As brains age, the DNA in neurons can become damaged, broken into pieces by oxidative stress and inflammatory insults. This is particularly nasty in postmitotic cells like neurons, which don't divide and replace themselves easily. Anthocyanins, however, aren't just there to watch it all go down. They activate key DNA repair pathways, reducing strand breaks and stabilizing genetic material. They've even been shown to influence repair-related genes, essentially telling your cellular repair crew, hey, now would be a great time to fix that. This isn't just theoretical. Studies in both animals and humans have linked regular blueberry consumption with better memory performance, improved executive function, and slower age-related cognitive decline. Elderly individuals who snack on blueberries aren't just delighting their taste buds, they're literally rebuilding neural circuits, reducing inflammation in the hippocampus, and protecting their DNA from turning into confetti. And don't be fooled by the portion size. You don't need to eat a pound a day to reap the benefits. Even modest amounts, say, a half cup to a cup a day, have shown noticeable effects on cognition. It's like taking your brain to the gym, but tastier and without the sweat. So the next time you're reaching for a snack and debating between a donut and a bowl of blueberries, remember, one gives you a sugar crash, the other gives you neuroplasticity. Blueberries don't just fight aging, they trick your brain into acting younger, thinking faster, and remembering where you put your keys. And they do it all without making a fuss. In the end, blueberries are a pretty hilarious paradox. These tiny, squishable fruits might be one of the most sophisticated neuroprotective agents in your kitchen. Delicious, low-calorie, and apparently on a secret mission to preserve your brain one bite at a time.